friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a Pusheen donut. So first let's get started with our eyes. On the right hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a small circle for the right eye. And then leaving quite a big gap over on the left hand side, lining it up at the same height. Let's just replicate that. Now in the top left hand corner of both eyes, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight of the eye. In the middle for the mouth now, we're going to start by curving this line around and then up on the right. And then moving over towards the left, we're going to curve this line down and then back up on the left. Now let's move down for the arm. We're going to curve this line around and then in. And then again, moving over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then back in on the bottom. Now moving up towards the top, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes all the way over. Underneath this now on the left, we're going to curve this line around, back up. In the middle, we're going to arch this line around, back up. And then one more time as we move over on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then back up. In the middle now, we're going to draw in an oval. So further over towards the right, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval for the center of the donut. And now on the top, we're just going to curve this line around and then in on the bottom. Let's move down now on the right hand side, lining this up at the same height. We're going to draw in the feet. So we're going to again curve this line around and then in. And then moving over towards the left one more time, curving that line around and then back in. Now let's draw in the shape of the body. So starting with the ears on the top first, we're going to curve this line up and then down towards the side. And then over on the left from that corner, we're going to curve this line up and then back down on the side as well. We're going to continue to arch this down towards the side of the page. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the middle. And then same on the right, we're going to start back on this side here and we're going to curve this line down, stretching this further out towards the side, bringing this back down on the right, ending that roughly at the same height. We're going to start to curve this in on the left-hand side now. So on the left, we're going to arch this line around and then in on the bottom. And then as we move over towards the right-hand side, starting back on this line, we're going to curve this line around and then curving this in towards the bottom, ending that so it's at the same. And then now from here, we're just going to close this off by curving this line all the way around and then back up together on the right. Now coming back up towards our ear, starting back on this line, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Now from here, starting back on the side of the ear, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the side. And then again, starting back on this line, we're going to curve this line all the way around, blending that in towards our bottom line. Now towards the right, we're going to curve this line around and then up for the tail. And then on the bottom, again, curving this line around and across. Now from the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in on the bottom. Let's add in the whiskers now. So on the top right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then out. Stepping down, let's replicate that, arching this line around and then up. Towards the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line over and down. And then again on the left, we're just going to curve this line over and out. Let's add in some details now. So on the tail, we're going to draw in a curved line from top to bottom. Stepping across, let's replicate that. Leaving a gap in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then again, one more time, moving over towards the right, arching that in. Now let's draw in some of the sprinkles. So coming in towards the middle here, we're going to bring this line up, over, down, back, around, and then connecting that up. We'll move over to the right, drawing it on a diagonal. So we're going to bring this line up, over, down, and back around. Let's move over towards the right. We're going to draw in another rectangle on a diagonal, curving the edges as we come all the way around. Let's move down now. We'll draw one above our foot here on a diagonal, pointing in towards the center. Let's come to the left of that, pointing this out towards the top right of our page. Again, as we move in towards the middle, let's move up above our left foot now, curving this line all the way around. Beside our center now. Again, as we move up, and then up on the top left. And that is it. That's how you draw Pusheen donut. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.